Downloading your account data from TikTok is a straightforward process that allows you to access your information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data easily. Step 1. Open TikTok app. Launch the TikTok app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Go to Profile. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your TikTok profile page. Step 3. Access settings. On your profile page, tap the 3 horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner. This will open the settings menu. Step 4. Select privacy. In the settings menu, find and select privacy. This section contains various options related to your account's privacy settings. Step 5. Request data download. Scroll down and look for the download your data option. Follow the prompts to request your data download. TikTok will prepare your data and notify you when it is ready for download. After completing these steps, you will have successfully requested your TikTok account data. Check your notifications for when the download is available and follow the instructions to access your information.